Well, we got just about 2 inches of rain in 12 hours. And this is where the field to the north of me drains across the back of my property and down the back. So every time it rains hard, I get a big big mud puddle to play in. Of course, I have to clean it all up and box blade it back out when I'm finished, but I don't care. I'm happy we got some rain. We need it. The garden's liking it. But I like to come back here and just sit and see all kinds of critters running around. Big giant pine tree. Seen better days. It still sounds like it's raining, but it's not. It's just the rain still dripping off the leaves. It's peaceful. Got rain in the forecast like every other day for the next week. So it's going to get soupy around here.